Morning traders, it's Trades here. Let's see what we have in store for the day today. Euro dollar news wise, there's nothing going on, no red folder news, so let's dive straight into euro dollar. Euro dollar, we've got buy side liquidity right there that we've been watching for a really long time, and it does look like price is going to come to that most likely today, the way it's approached, and maybe even we'll take out the next buy side liquidity. We put in this strong bullish engulfing candle yesterday in this bullish engulfing pattern, price doji, bearish candle, and then followed by this strong bullish engulfing candle. Didn't take out previous day's low. It doesn't look like it will take out previous day's low today, the way price approached, the way price printed yesterday. So let's see what the lower time frame says. We've left a lot of fair value gaps along the way, right? We've got fair value gaps from the bottom here, and I don't anticipate price to come down deep into this range before pushing up to that buy side liquidity. Maybe we will tap that buy side liquidity and then push deeper into the range before pushing up into the next level. But if price does start to pull lower, I will be watching at this fair value gap on the 60-minute time frame below this swing, right below this swing low, and or below this swing low, and look to go long around that area. And that does depend on what time price comes to that level, and if it does come, if it starts to go deeper with no signs of slowing down, then I would predict price to come to the 50% and then find some support. We also have this inverse fair value gap right around below that 50% level. So yeah, this is an interesting one. But if price does come up and take out that buy side liquidity during London session, we might see a drop from up there into this level, or into a swing inside the Asian range before price finds support to push back up again. It's essentially also last week of the month, right? So we do have to be careful. So are we going to end the month on a strong bullish close above this high? That's something to consider. We've got 4 more trading days, right? And we've got news coming out tomorrow, final GDP, Fed speaking as well, and then core PCE on Friday. So not that exciting news coming out except for the GDP tomorrow. And so yeah, we'll have to wait and see whether if we push up and then we'll tap this 1.127 level and then find resistance, or we just start to find resistance at this current buy side liquidity at 1.120. Similarly, pound dollar has been strongly bullish this month, and it has come into a high time frame POI for me where it is at a 50% off this order block right there. And on the lower time frames, this order block also happens to be above this fair value gap, which price held last month, and this month has been pushing higher. On the weekly time frame, right, we've been bullish. Order flow is strongly bullish. Agree. It came into the first gap right there, which price, right, this gap right there, which price is traded into today, today, and tapped into the 50% off that order block as well. And right above that first fair value gap, that gap is another fair value gap on the weekly time frame and another one on the daily time frame as well. So it's an interesting, ideally I do want to see the first level of this tapped into to look for bearish opportunities, and I think we can start seeing some displacement lower after price taps into those highs, but until then we are still bullish. So yesterday we can see came into that order blocks consequent encroachment perfectly and held, and today so far we've wicked above. It's only 7 o'clock, not even 7 o'clock yet, so I can't really say anything right now, but order flow is bullish. I will be looking for bullish trades. We've got this channel playing out, right, and I do believe we can continue higher, but it's just a matter of how it's going to continue higher. We've got these swing lows. We've got this fair value gap on the 60-minute time frame right below that swing. If you look at it, it also looks like a head and shoulder pattern. And apart from that, yeah, I don't really see. Maybe we've got this order block as well on the 60-minute time frame that looks quite strong, but apart from that, I don't know where price can come down to. I'll just have to wait, depending on the session that it comes down to, and look for trading opportunities to go long. But yeah, I am long on this pair today, and euro dollar as well. So let's see how those play out.